Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the Notes app and creating a new note in the folder you want. Tap the new note icon, then immediately name the note or pick a folder so items aren't scattered. If you plan to access notes across devices, enable iCloud Sync in Settings Notes. This keeps everything current. Once done, choose Typing or the Apple Pencil. Tap the handwriting icon to draw or bring up the keyboard and start typing. Make sure Auto Capture for scanning is on if you'll import documents. You'll now structure content so your notes are useful later. Start with headings for sections, convert lists into checklists for tasks, and add tables for quick comparisons. Insert photos or scans from the camera, attach PDFs, and record audio directly into a note when you need context. If you use handwriting, pinch to zoom for finer strokes and use the lasso tool to select and relocate scribbles. Also, tap the share icon to add content from other apps. This keeps everything in one place for retrieval. Finish by securing and distributing your notes. Lock sensitive notes using a password, Face ID, or Touch ID so only you can open them. This protects private content. If you need collaboration, tap the Collaborate button and invite people to view or edit in real time. Once finalized, export the note as PDF or save it to files for archiving or sharing. Troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, sign out of iCloud and back in, or toggle notes sync off and on to force re-upload and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.